So one of the things that I'm going to have to do is I'm just taking the end of my screwdriver, flathead that's busted anyways, and I'm just going to tap all along to see for noise differences, because I think there's some delamination. Definitely round about the sort of toe rail. Obviously I'm no professional at this, and I may be mistaken, but see how it sounds all the same. And then here, which may be a big issue. I think on the other side that I've done, I'll be able to show you better. Yeah, I mean, this isn't the first time doing a boat or anything like that, but I'm concerned with the core, because if I have to redo the core, it's a big job. But yeah, it may just be from these leaking. It could be just from the deck, the toe rail where the deck meets the hull. I may try and put a wee explanation up. I do know that the deck hull joints are leaking, which is very common. So that's I'm going to figure out a way for that. So yeah, but we'll come back to that later. Right now, let's get the hardware removed, because I am confident that the tarpaulin stuff is going to keep the boat dry. So yeah, we'll come back to this, and I'll show you the other side as well. So we'll just start by removing these, just like vents. They are also rubber. Isn't the nicest, but I think it works. Probably be quicker. Oh, my bait. Oh no, it's not going to be quicker. again, everything that I seem to see on this boat, right, everything that's on the deck or anything like that doesn't seem to be sealed. That's what's really worrying me. I don't know if you can see it, but there's not one bit of sealing, there's a bit of dirt. But like, for me, I would have maybe put a little bit of sealant round the top just to make sure it doesn't leak, give you that extra safety. So I tried to remove the screws, but in my defence I think they're all just rusted and broken. So I'm just going to gee right through it. Oh, it's not that in it. I'm thinking. It's smoking. Yeah. Slider, son. I've got no idea what I'm doing. Oh no! Darren! You almost fuck everything up. this is after I removed the top. Obviously you can see there's a vent here and a vent there. I'm going to remove this wooden stuff because it's rotten anyways. And I can obviously cover these up and do the same on the other side. So that's it, cleaned it up a little bit anyway, brushed all the stuff off it. I'm going to cover up the holes, cover up the screw bits because obviously we need to remove them from the inside, and that'll be done for that side. So as we can see, the hatches are in not the best of shapes, but I think they're salvageable. To move on over here, I mean, God knows what's happened here. That was probably done when the marina was taking down the mast and stuff like that, because I wasn't present, but that's going to have to be repaired. Great. The hatches are in a pretty bad way. Well, thanks for joining me once again. Hopefully next time you'll see more, probably demolition work. I can't wait till we start rebuilding. But if you're enjoying watching the videos, please like and also subscribe. Join in on the chat as well if you've got anything, any useful tips. Would be greatly appreciated. So yeah, see you again next time. Thank you.